My name is Aiden Miles and welcome back to, yep, you guessed it, more Undertale. And we're lagging a bit. Are we lagging a bit? Yeah, you know what? Okay, let's put the mic closer. There we go. That is a lot better. And I'm going to turn it up now. Yet again, I'm back on the menu because the menu has changed once again. Now after doing the things with Sands and Papyrus will now be in the menu. Toriel's now sleeping and the menu has now also changed slightly. So that's the thing. So let's continue on from where we left off. Last time we left off, we dated Papyrus. We went to Grulby's with Sands. I gave some wonderful people some shout outs as they so utterly deserved it, and we were going to continue our journey through the waterfall. So without frozen, no, we're fine. Without further ado, let's get moving. This is a box. You can put items or take an item out. Why would you, though? You can't use items when they're in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. Shitting hell, I'm lagging a bit. Oh. Right. We can put the stick away now. Yeah, we don't... The stick isn't really needed for now, so we can just put that in there. Now we've got to dodge rocks as we go through this waterfall. There we go, we're good. Right, let's keep going.
Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you about earlier. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human souls yourself. But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them, you see. You see... I understand. I'll help you in any way I can.
Fuck me, that was close. Yo, did you see that? The way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous! What did you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. That was terrifying. As in when I first fucking played through the game. Now, yeah, it's kind of cute. But anyway, puzzle. Now this area relies on these puddles. Taking these little water things, placing them down, then they sprout, then you can walk across. That's basically the gimmick of this whole area. Oh shit. First encounter of the area, we have Aaron. Let's flex. He's attacking me with his sweat. I don't like it. And then... Oh, if Undertale weren't lagging, that... Bye. Right, so there are a couple things in this room I want to show off, as there is a couple Easter eggs. First off, show off this Easter egg here, which pretty much consists of you. And I'm sorry if the volume's a bit loud, like, I'll turn it down quick. It's just that, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but, like, the game's soundtrack, it's really good. So, unless I figure out a way of, you know, working it out, it's just because I want to share the beautifulness that is this game's soundtrack. Right, now that's done, we can go through here. And on this bench, there's a lone key sitting underneath the bench. Yes, I shall take it. And then, speaking to Zeka Flower, I wasn't ready for the responsibility. Is there anything else? Now, this is actually a reference which happened to the game's creator Toby Fox, where he found an abandoned quiche under a park bench itself. Now, if you go down there, it will basically say, well done, you failed the puzzle, pretty much. Now, yeah, again, same puzzle, just putting everything in the same different locations. And boom.
Hello! This is Papyrus! How did I get this number? It was easy! I just dialed every number subsequently until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a bandana. Is that true? Are you wearing a bandana?
Yes I am.
So you are wearing a bandana. Got it! Wink wink. Have a nice day!
I wonder what that could play any significance to. A long time ago, our monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. And another monster. Whoosha! Right, another new encounter. Clean me. And then similar battle with the what's it fight. You have to get one of the green things, the veget, and then you're able to spare him. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Come on, sis. Make a wish. I wish me and my sister will see the real stars someday. Look through the telescope. Check wall. And is that we continue. And then if we look at this. Seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. And now we look at mold smalls, which you can spare instantly. Yes, mold smalls are back. Yay! Ancient writing covers the rule. You can just make up the words. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it's the strength of their soul. The power allows it to persist outside a human body even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable amount of power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. Right. Jump cut. And we're back. Onto the platform! Oh, the music stopped. Oh shit. Run, run, run as fast as as he can. Now I'm going to try and do this without a single spear hitting me. Fuck. Now, yes indeed, you can die in these segments. Basically, just keep running and don't fucking stop. I was in the grass! Oh shit. Ay. Bye! Have a great time! It's down here. Can we go back? Okay, I guess not. Yo! Did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again! Man, aren't you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit more to the left? Yo! Don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. Bye-bye! Oh look, more mouse with more cheese. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mythical crystal. It fills you with determination. This cheese has been here so long. A magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. So, actually, I thought I might as well mention the plan with my Undertale Let's Play from now on. Pretty much, I want to get at least one boss fight done an episode. So, that's basically the new plan. To say the least. So, some episodes may be long, some may be short. Squeak. So, let's keep going. I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 550,000 G to use this premium telescope. But, since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it? Yeah, sure, Sans. There's nothing. Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll just give you a full refund. Fuck you, Sans. And what is up here? Hey, it's an ice cream dude! I relocated my store, but there still are no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have free cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Actually, I'm actually going to buy some, because we're actually running quite low on healing items. So I'll buy 2. That'll do. Right. And then if I believe I go into this box. Then the punch cards go in my items. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they do. So then what you can do is then you can basically just simply go down here, use the box, and then put the punch cards in there. So you never have to run out of storage. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it? Are you a star? Let's go down here. Actually, no, I feel like... Wait, actually, no, what's up here? Oh, this area will be important for later. But for now, let's keep moving! What do you say? You hear passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? You hear a passing conversation. Just one, but it's kind of stupid. Hi, Aaron. Hi. How are you? Please don't wreck me. Ow. Ah, I don't want that. Please don't wreck me again. Ow, it hurts. It hurts too fucking much. No. Ow. Ah. Ow, Aaron, please. Don't hit me. I don't like that. Okay, bye. Just please leave. I need to heal. Actually, no, I'm fine. What is in the bush? It's a pair of ballet shoes. Will you take it? Yes. And then, item. We can equip them. So. Yay. More equipment. Yes. Oh.
Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about cloves? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery. But I bet you already knew that. And because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing. A bandana, because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. This way you're safe and I don't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Being friends with everyone is easy.
I love Papyrus, even though if he's gaining a bit suspicious. I can actually heal. Right. Oh wait. No. Right. Rush's power is neutralized. What the fuck did I do? Da 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 la la da 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 da. Spare you and keep running, cause I cannot be bothered with the fuss today. Oh shit! You hear a passing conversation. Don't say that. Come on! I promise I won't laugh. The power to take their souls. This is the power that the humans feared. Wait, what? Tentacles! What is with the tentacles? What the f... Hey! There! Noticed you were here. I'm Onion-san. Onion-san, you here? You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Even though the water is getting so shallow here, I have to sit down all the time. But, hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. And the aquarium is full, anyway, so even if I wanted to, That's okay, though. You hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything. You hear? I'm gonna get out there and live in the ocean. You hear? Hey, there. That's the end of the room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. In Waterfall! No, I am not doing that again. Hey! Sharon. Now, this is a mini-boss, as she only appears in this room. You hum a funky tune. Sharon follows your melody. Sri, Sri, Mimi. And then, one step spare. Now up here... Hold it, I'll talk about this in a bit. I'll talk about this in a sec. Right. This room's gonna be important. Keep it in mind. A hunting song echoes down the corridor. You won't play along. Only the first 8 are fine. The northern room hides a great treasure. The power has no counter. Indeed, a human can take a monster's soul. When a monster dies, its soul disappears. And an incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster. There is only one exception. The soul of a special species of monster called a boss monster. A boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death. only for a few moments. A human could absorb this soul, but this has never happened. And now it never will. Right, let's take this umbrella. Take an umbrella. Now let's give it back to that statue. Now, if you go up to that piano room, I'm going to speak very quietly here because, say the least, you go up to that piano room. Oh wait, it's showing me right now. Right, take a picture, take a picture, take a picture, take a picture on your phone, Aiden. Take a fucking picture. Boom, got it. Right, so you know what? Looks like I'm going to be able to show this off after all. So, yee! Right, piano. There's a piano here. Play it. Right. Right. Same working. Oh, I get it. Oh, so I've got to press the Z button and the up button at the same time, right? Hey, I did it! Right, I've never seen this before. What does this do? It's a legendary artifact. Will you take it? Yes. You are carrying too many dogs. You deployed the dog. The dog absorbed the artifact. Fuck you! And then that item slot where the dog was, it get filled with a dog residue. This is a really good item for multiple reasons. I will talk about it later. It is really fucking useful. But I currently have no intention of using it, so you know, whatever. So let's just keep going, shall we? Alright, let's take an umbrella. Take an umbrella. Nope, I want one. Yes. Let's go! Oh god, it's raining. Yo! You got an umbrella? Awesome! Let's go! Okay, I like traveling with you, dude, but I don't exactly know if it's going to work. Man, Undyne is so cool! She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. I don't even know how to access that Echo Flower, I'm being honest. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. I wish, kid. I wish. Maybe she won't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. Now this is beautiful. Now this is a beautiful scene in the game. Just like, fucking look. It's amazing. Let's put back the umbrella. Yo! This ledge is way too steep. Yo, you want to see Undyne, right? Climb on my shoulders. Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. Later, kid. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attacked suddenly and without mercy. The serene sound of a distant music box fills you with determination. In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned to dust. Oh no. We've gone dark again. And... oh crap. There she is! Run! We gotta run, we gotta keep going, we gotta keep going, we gotta run, having fun, run. I have not memorized this room like I have memorized most rooms in the game. I don't exactly know where I'm going. I'm probably gonna end up getting lost and stuff. All I know is that you should head south and stick to the right. I mean left. That's all I know. Oh wait, or you can just follow Undyne's path. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da. Don't get hit. Just run. 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 Keep running. Just continue running. We don't even see her. Oh shit. Oh, she's gone. Yay! There we go. Oh no. I spoke too soon. Oh. It sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Cager, huh? That's a nice name. My name is... And on that note... Actually, no. Let's continue. I said we would end the videos on boss fights. And we've got one coming up. Oh, shit. Well, the waterfall here seems to flow from the ceiling above. Occasionally, a piece of trash will flow through and fall into the bottomless abyss below. Viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage, it fills you with determination. It's a beat-up desktop computer. The inside is empty. It's a cooler. It has no brand. And shows no sign of wear. Inside is a couple of dried up space food bars. Take one. You got the astronaut food. And then you can take one more. But I'm carrying too much. It's a DVD case for an anime. Despite claw marks all over the edges. Right, let's keep going. Oh shit. It's just like you it's just like you to run away. I'm the ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. When you talked to them, they thought they were in for a nice chat, but then the things you said, horrible, shocking, unbelievable. It spooked them right out of their dummy. Human, I'll scare your soul out of your body. Now, we're going to finish off today with a boss fight. Mad Dummy. Let's talk to him. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one's happy with this. Futile! 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 Ow! You dummies! Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks! Hey, you! Forgot I said anything about magic! Now, the Mad Dummy, for me, he's quite a funny character and he's actually quite unique. As in, he's one of the only characters that generally attacks you out of the blue. Mad Dummy attack. Attack, 30. Defense? Yes, because they're a ghost. Physical attacks will fail. I'll defeat you and take your soul! Also, his song, titled Dummy, is fucking amazing. When you hit him enough, he shall start to move. I'll use your soul to cross the barrier! I'm starting to sound a lot like Uncle Stan. Let's heal. Nice cream. You look nice today. Your HP was maxed out. I'll stand in the window of a fancy store. No! I fucking didn't mean to do that. I meant to keep that for as long as possible. But I fucked up. Anyway, I'll just have to explain the Easter egg when it comes to it. Then everything I want will be mine! My dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box. Huh? Yeah, I guess that'll avenge my cousin. My dummy is getting cotton all over the dialogue box. What was their name again? Whatever, whatever, whatever! Feeble, feeble, feeble! Feeble, feeble, feeble! Foolish, foolish, foolish! Hey, guys! Dummies, dummies, dummies! Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures! You're all fired! You're all being replaced! Now you'll see my true power, relying on people that aren't garbage! Dummy bots! Magic missile! Now, we have to wear down the missile timer until we can do that. Dummy bots, try again! Dummy bots, you're awful! Dummy bots, final attack! No way! These guys are even worse than the other guys! Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I don't need friends! I've got knives! I'm out of knives. But it doesn't matter! You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you! You'll be stuck fighting me! Forever! Forever! Forever!
What the heck is this? Ugh, acid rain? Oh, forget it. I'm out of here.
Sorry, I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friends immediately left. Oh no, you guys look like you were having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no. Well, I'm going to head home now. Oh, feel free to come with if you want. But no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. Just thought I'd offer. And on that note, hey, my house is up here, in case you want to see, or in case you don't. And on that note, this has been Ada Miles. Thank you guys for watching, and stay awesome, everybody.